Across the globe, environmental issues dominate today's headlines. In response, nations, companies, and everyday people are changing the way we do things to help preserve and protect our world for the future. I'm Terry Bradshaw. Whether it's cleaner air, sustainable development, or energy efficiency, join me as we span the globe to bring you the stories that truly matter. Welcome to the Environmental Report. While Americans have made many strides in their recycling efforts, trash is still a big problem for the country. Each year, more than 95 million tons of garbage is sent to landfills nationwide, and that number is only increasing. It's almost criminal the amount of trash we continue to contribute, as we leave an ever-growing mess for future generations to clean up. However, it's not as if we are without options. The technology to convert discarded waste into clean, usable energy has existed for years.
Plasma gasification is the process of breaking down organic matter in an oxygen-starved environment where the end product is syngas. The process uses plasma as a source of energy to elevate the reaction temperature where all tars, furans, and dioxins are totally destroyed, producing a clean, dry syngas which can be used to produce electricity or liquid fuels.
Plasma gasification has, in fact, been in use for nearly 4 decades to process scrap iron, munitions, asbestos, incinerator ash, and other types of waste. There are more than 60 commercial plasma plants operating around the world, mostly in Japan, where there are no landfills. Here in 29 Palms, California, for example, a plasma plant built by Plasma Arc can process a variety of waste materials.
The Japanese model works because their tipping fees are more than $250 a ton. However, that will never work in the rest of the world. The U.S. average is $35. Coal gasification and other syngas plants have been operating successfully around the world for more than 40 years, proving that syngas can be economically converted into electricity and other fuels on a large-scale basis.
Recovered Energy believes that through the right combination of technologies, plasma gasification can provide the perfect solution to our mounting waste and energy problems. With the proper combination of components, a ton of waste could produce as much as 140 gallons of diesel fuel or 3 megawatts of electricity. In all, as much as 50% of our total electricity requirements could be produced by waste.
Our approach is to design a plant by combining known and proven technologies. With the right combination of standard industry components, we can make the economics for a plant work in most metropolitan areas of the world with municipal waste for at least 1,200 tons per day without raising tipping fees.
To put it in perspective, the efficiency of a traditional single-cycle steam plant is typically 28% or less, while the efficiency of a combined cycle gas steam turbine can be as high as 80%. With such a system, virtually all of the waste can be converted into a saleable product. And because of the high reaction temperature, there are no tars, furans, or dioxins with plasma gasification like there are with other thermal processes.
At Carmel Energy, we believe the key to making a project work is to focus on designing the plant with the highest and most efficient production of electricity. Carmel Energy and Plasma Arc employ the most advanced reactor systems and power generation equipment that assure the highest level of electricity per ton of waste. In many cases, as much as 3 megawatts per ton.
Unless we act soon on the immense amount of waste continuing to be stashed beneath the earth, the world will eventually run out of landfill sites if the groundwater hasn't been completely polluted by then. Recovered Energy, Carmel Energy, and Plasma Arc firmly believe that plasma gasification is the best technology to save us from such a grim prospect.
Plasma gasification is the most versatile thermal technology with the best opportunity to eliminate landfills, clean up waste, and recover energy in a way that is economically viable and environmentally safe. We believe that our team is well positioned to help form the direction of the industry and reshape the way the world looks at waste.